Here's Goldwachen's expert advice on how to change the cabin air filter in your vehicle. If your cabin's air circulation is out of kilter, it's probably time to replace your cabin air filter. See, it rhymes. Bring back freshness into your vehicle with these easy steps. Number 1. Let's find out where your air cabin filter is located. It may vary depending on make or model, but it's usually located behind the glove box or under the dashboard. Be sure to check your vehicle's owner's manual to find out where it's located. 2. If it's behind the glove box, remove this by pressing on the sides to release the stops and letting it down. 3. The cabin air filter is now exposed, so you'll be able to remove the cover that holds it in place. To release, either remove a retaining clip or press the tabs in. That depends on the vehicle. 4. You're ready to remove the old filter. Make sure you take note of its direction so that you can install the new filter in the same way. The airflow direction is usually indicated by the arrows on the filter. 5. It's time to insert the new filter into the housing. Don't forget to keep the same direction as before. Once it's in position, replace the filter cover and secure it in place. 6. If you remove the glove box to access the filter, reattach it by pushing the sides in until the stops click back into place. Lastly, switch on the vehicle to test that everything is good and in working order. These are general guidelines and may vary depending on the vehicle's make or model. For specific instructions and safety information, always refer to your owner's manual. If you have any concerns or questions about replacing the cabin air filter, contact a professional mechanic. Sharing is caring, and when you know, you know. Get in the know. Goldwachen, the parts supplier of choice, catering for all top vehicle brands.